Hey, what's up guys, this is Alec here from Build Nerd. In today's video, we talk about me using Hatchbox PLA for the first time, and I'll do a quick review of it, and we 3D print this awesome labyrinth maze gift. Let's check it out. So I wanted to start trying some new and different kinds of filament, and one of the highly recommended ones out there is Hatchbox PLA. And I decided to go with this awesome True Green Hatchbox. Now, I've printed several things with this True Green Hatchbox PLA, and everything has come out great. One of the cooler things that I 3D printed is this awesome labyrinth maze gift box. So the way it works is you have a 3D printed maze on one side, and then a container on the other side with the little knob you can see on the right. And you have to solve the maze in order to get what's inside the gift box. It's a really neat gift idea, and it's definitely something I'm going to print again for people's birthdays, special holidays, etc. All in all, Hatchbox PLA is very good. I'm definitely going to continue to print with this True Green, and in the future I'm definitely going to order some more. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video and want to see more like it, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe down below. And until next time, build your nerddom.